Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. A monochrome harmony in nature's embrace. The Black House, a stark monolith against the verdant canvas of the pine forest, is a testament to the power of contrast and simplicity. This juxtaposition of materials is a cornerstone of the house's aesthetic, a dialogue between the man-made and the natural. The integration of glass doors amplifies the connection between the interior and exterior spaces. These transparent portals frame the lush green lawn and the towering pines beyond, blurring the lines between architecture and landscape. The house becomes a vessel through which to experience the ever-changing beauty of the natural world. The lawn, a verdant carpet, serves as a transition zone between the house and the forest. It is a place of respite, a soft counterpoint to the hard edges of the architecture. The introduction of wooden chairs around the fireplace creates a cozy and inviting outdoor living space. The warmth of the wood complements the cool elegance of the Black House, while the fireplace promises comfort and companionship on chilly evenings. Behind the house, the pine forest stands as a timeless backdrop. The deep green of the pines provides a rich contrast to the black and white palette of the house. This natural frame enhances the architectural composition, creating a sense of depth and tranquility. The design of this house is a masterclass in balance and proportion. The stark geometry of the black exterior is softened by the organic forms of the lawn and the forest. The introduction of white stone adds a touch of purity and elegance, while the wooden chairs bring warmth and humanity to the space. This careful orchestration of materials and elements results in a harmonious and inviting living environment. Ultimately, this black house is more than just a dwelling. It is a statement about the relationship between human creation and the natural world. It is a place where modern aesthetics coexist with timeless natural beauty. It is a sanctuary where one can retreat from the world and find solace in the quietude of the forest. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.